One of the things that's very clear about one rental at a time is I enjoy creating content. I enjoy talking with millionaires and in many cases, multimillionaires every week. I enjoy helping people, and it is clearly working. The number of cards and messages that I get is every week. It's just, it makes me smile. But also, I have some deficiencies or weakness. One rental at a time is not really a business for me. For many people that create content around real estate or real estate investing, it would become a business. They'd have a team, virtual assistants, things of that nature. They'd really be selling. You don't hear me talking about how to get started one rental at a time or my Get Your Money Right or any of the amazing courses that I have almost ever. That said, I know they work. So a very interesting thing happened about a week, maybe 2 weeks ago. Chuck and Caleb here reached out to me and said, "Hey, we came to your event in Fresno. We were the guys that helped register at the door, which I greatly appreciate. Thank you so much. But you guys basically said, Michael, we want to help grow one rental at a time. We want to take what you've done with the courses and bring it to more people. And oh, by the way, we just want a commission." So, of course, I do what I do. I have questions, feedback, all of that. Basically, what you guys brought to me is you're not going to ask for any overhead. You're not going to ask for any marketing budget. You're not going to ask for any salary. You just want to take the goodness of one rental at a time and actively spread it. And when somebody that you connect with signs up, buys, whatever you want to call it, you want to get paid. And I'm an open book. You guys are going to make 20%, whether you sell a $50 mastermind or what we're going to create a bundle, which I'm going to give an extra half hour of my time to. So I just want people to know that I'm going to give these guys a shot. I know one rental at a time can help more people. I just don't want to give more of my life. And I think what you guys offered me is pretty cool. So tell me what you guys were thinking when you brought it to us. Let's talk about what we're doing together. Who wants to start?
Yeah, I guess I'll jump in right here. So what we offered you was, like you said, the no overhead, we're just full commission. So there's no upfront cost to you. And a lot of the sales stuff right now, people are asking for these huge marketing budgets up front. And guys like you're like, what the heck? I'm not interested in that at
I'm
all.
good, thanks.
Yeah, no, exactly. It's kind of the same thing. We've been selling Christian and Cody's course for a while with the same plan, just full commission base, no upfront overhead, and we've had incredible success with it, just full digital sales. So kind of brought the plan to you and curious what you were thinking to spread your teaching and learning everywhere else as well.
Yeah, so I think there was a couple of things. Again, so this is what I did for 30 years of my life, commission-based sales. I always called it I ate what I killed. So
Pretty
so
much.
something, yeah, that's just how I roll, right? But somebody who's created plans and commissioned and incentives and go-to-market strategies for the last 15 years, I wanted to do something special for you. So, historically on my channel, if you went to Teachable, you could buy, you could just buy singles, right?
Yeah.
You guys asked for a bundle. So let's talk about the bundle that will be created. I haven't created it yet, but it'll be created in the next day or so. We're going to take my mentoring class, how to get started one rental at a time with 30-minute Zoom call. And just for you, we're going to add an extra half hour. So people can have up to an hour of my time. Also, you guys asked for, and I said yes to, signing autograph copies of both my books, One Rental at a Time and 15 Conversations. Again, this is something that people can only get with YouTube. I think that's interesting. So we're going to do that. So how do you guys feel about that?
I love the bundle. I think it's for the value we're offering for the price, it's unmatched.
Yeah. I think there's one other bundle we should create. I now have, I think, two $50 courses. Basically, they're not really courses, they're replays. So that real estate event that you were at, that at 7-hour event in Fresno, it's a mastermind course. It's $50. The event cost me almost 10 grand. So people can get that. I never talk about it. I never talk about it. You guys should. It should be a lost leader. It should be something you talk about. I also just did a 2-hour deep dive on my buy box where we had 4 or 5 case studies of students bringing it up. That's how you start. That could be a great lead in, right? I'm not ready to spend $1,000 or 1,100, but I'll see what he's about for $50. In 3 weeks, I'm doing a real estate event for 4 legends of real estate investing that are all female. That next weekend, we're doing an event for how top agents and investors should work together. So I am going to do what I do, create more and more content, which you guys can create bundles for or think about. What are you guys excited about that kind of stuff?
Yeah, that sounds awesome. More content, the better.
Yeah. And then there's one course that I think more people need to take seriously that I would probably, it would almost be a different marketing channel for you two. It's my $99 course called Get Your Money Right. It's really the foundation. It's kind of stuff that Dion talks about, getting a budget, needs versus wants. I never talk about it. And frankly, it's probably more valuable than my how to get started one rental at a time. Because if you just do how to get started one rental at a time without getting your money right, it doesn't go as fast.
Right.
So again, these are all different angles for you two.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. What do you want to tell folks? So what can my audience expect? Are you going to be engaging with them on Instagram, on Facebook? Where are you guys going to start marketing and reaching out to people?
Yeah, great question. Primarily, it's going to be off Instagram. However, we're going to be across all socials.
And how would you reach out? If somebody saw, are you going to DM people, or what are you going to do so people could maybe watch this video and go, oh, okay, these are those two guys reaching out to me?
Yeah, usually DMs, maybe comments.
Okay. And then what what people should expect? What should I expect? Because I am going to be following you guys to make sure you don't piss anybody off.
I appreciate that. Yeah, no, just connecting with members of your community, seeing if they're interested. Because a lot of people look at it and they're like, a little hesitant to get started, just seeing what people need and what they're interested in.
Yeah, and see if they're the right fit for the course.
You know what? This is why like I opened with admitting my deficiencies. I would guess more than half the people follow me don't even know I offer courses. I think that's wild. It's how infrequently I talk about it. So I think you guys have a lot of opportunity ahead of you, and I hope you help a lot of people. Because again, I think they could start for as little as $50, or if they want to do something super special, get an hour of my time. So lots of things are possible.
Agreed. Yeah, it's going to be awesome helping people take the next step in their journeys.
So what else do I need to do for you? Is there anything else you need from me, you think, or not yet?
I think it's just creating that bundle, and then we're good to go, ready to rock and roll.
Okay. All right. Well, again, folks, this is a video I wanted to create so these guys can reference it and they can send it around just in case. I am going to post this just in case somebody in my community goes, who the heck are these guys? What are your handles on Instagram so they'll know it's one of you two?
Chucky_Sotelo.
And then I'm Caleb.Hummel, and we have our joint account, which is Caleb and Chuck.
There you go. Again, one more time. What are those handles?
Chucky_Sotelo.
Caleb.Hummel, and then we have Caleb and Chuck as well.
All right, guys. I look forward to seeing what you're able to do. Maybe we should touch base in 2 or 3 weeks. Let me know what's going on, because really this is what I hope happens. I hope you guys help a lot of people. I hope you guys make a lot of money, but I more importantly hope you tell me what's missing, because I am about creating content. I'm not actively trying to sell this thing. Lots of sales happen, which is all good. I hope a lot more sales happen because you guys are focused on it. So guys, good luck. Have some fun. And don't be afraid to tell me what you need. I'm there to support you. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.